Breaking USC basketball commit Alijah Arenas hospitalized after a shocking car crash. The 18-year-old son of former NBA star Gilbert Arenas was reportedly injured in a car accident near his home in Southern California. Alijah is a five-star prospect committed to USC and one of the most talked-about young talents in the country. His high school coach confirmed he's in stable condition, but the basketball world is holding its breath. Send your thoughts to Alijah in the comments. Follow for real sports updates. No clickbait, just facts.